might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now...
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a fantastic day today. It's beautiful here today, and so I'm going to make me and Calvin a casserole. You can, if you have a large family, you can also double this recipe, and you can also, when you do double it, you can put one in the freezer, and it will store up to about 3 months. And so the name of my casserole is Southwestern Casserole. And here are my ingredients: elbow macaroni, hamburger meat, and like I said, if you double it for a bigger family, you'd want to use this doubled, and you'd want to use 2 pounds of hamburger meat. Let me turn off my macaroni. I've got it cooking over here in this pot. Okay, so then I have a half of an onion here because I'm not doubling mine. I have some garlic, a can of tomatoes, and I'm going to be using half of these kidney beans, half of this tomato paste, and I have some green chilies, which I'm going to be using half of. And then I have my condiments, which is salt, pepper, chili powder, and cumin. And Calvin will have this recipe in the description below. And on the top of it, I'm going to be putting cheese and jalapeno peppers. So let me get over here and brown my hamburger meat, and then I'll be back. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is put my hamburger meat in my pan and brown it. Okay, we just got a weather alert, but I think it was just a test, wasn't it, Calvin?
I think it was a test.
Okay, because I know the sun's shining. Okay. All right. I can't believe, though, that they said we would have snow flurries this weekend. With as pretty a weather we've been having. I think this casserole is really going to be good today, don't you, Kevin, for our dinner?
Well, it looks real good. All the ingredients, I think it's going to be something that we're going to enjoy together.
Yeah. I like anything Southwestern and Mexican. I was trying to think what would go good with this casserole, and so I think I'm going to put some corn on the cob with it. And I could make a salad, but I think that the casserole and the corn on the cob will be enough.
I think you're right, Marie. We had a real good Big Mac salad just yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, I think we're about salad out, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now then I'm going to put my half of an onion in here. And I'm going to saute these onions till they get translucent. Ouch. Y'all didn't see that, did you? Don't put your hand there, Calvin. I've never did that before.
Did you touch the pan?
I actually touched that little gold thing there.
Oh, okay.
And so,
Like you said, don't do that, Marie.
yeah, don't do that anymore, Marie.
Marie, that might make a good blooper to go at the end of the video.
I have plenty of bloopers, that's for sure. When I'm just cooking at home and no one's filming me, I do everything perfect. I hope my nose is not getting bigger. Okay, my onions are translucent now, so I'm going to add in my garlic. I'm going to cook this for about a minute or 30 seconds. Okay. All right. My hamburger meat and onions are ready to be drained now. And so when I get them drained, I'll be back. All right, I have my hamburger meat drained now. So I'm going to put in my can of tomatoes. And I'm going to put in half of these kidney beans. Okay. And I'm going to put in half of this tomato paste. And I'm going to put in half a can of these diced chilies. And I'm going to put in all of my spices. Now then, I'm going to bring this up to a boil and let it simmer for a few minutes.
Marie, that really smells good now.
I know it's got all of the ingredients in it that we like. I'm using my silicone utensils that one of our subscribers sent us, actually two of them. Their names were
Nicole and Elijah.
Elisha, yeah. So thank you very much. It's not making any noise at all.
Yeah, I think we're going to like those, aren't we, Marie?
Yeah. I think we are. All right. My hamburger meat and all has came up to a good boil now, and it's been simmering for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to add in my noodles. It's looking good, isn't it, Calvin?
Yes, it is, Marie. That looks real good. Looks to me like a complete meal.
It is, isn't it? We had a little something green, but I'm not making a salad today. All right, my meal has been simmering for 10 minutes, so I'm going to put it in my baking dish. It smells really good, doesn't it, Calvin?
Yes, it does, Marie. It's going to be very delicious.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to add a cup of Monterey Jack cheese. This puts me in the mind of goulash. What do you think, Calvin?
It does. It's just got a little more spices to it.
Yeah.
It's going to have a little Southwestern kick to it.
Mm-hmm. I couldn't have said it better. Okay, now then I'm going to put it on my jalapeno peppers. All right, I have my dish assembled now, so I'm going to cover it and cook it for 30 minutes at 375 degrees, and then I'm going to uncover it and cook it for 10 more minutes. So when it's done, I'll be back. All right, I just have my casserole out of the oven, and boy, does it smell good, doesn't it, Calvin?
Oh, yes, it really does, Marie.
And it looks really good, too. So this is what we're going to have for our evening meal. And also we're going to have some salsa and chips and corn on the cob. So when this cools off, we'll be back. All right, my casserole has been cooling now for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to plate us up some. It smells really good. There's still steam coming off of it. So the taste test might be a little challenging. Okay, I'm going to put some of these tortilla chips on it, right beside it. And then some corn. So, Calvin, do you want to plate your plate up, or do you want me to plate it up?
I'll get mine in just a few minutes.
Okay, I'm going to do the taste test now. It is really good. I'll plate yours up if you want me to. Because I want your opinion. Here you go. You don't have to taste it on camera.
Well, it really looks good, and I love how it smells. That's very good, Marie.
It's definitely got a Southwestern flair, doesn't it?
Oh, yes, and that cheese on it is so good. All the spices in it, I love it. I hadn't tried the jalapeno pepper yet, but the rest of it's good.
I might even put some extra on mine.
I like it, Marie. It's very good.
Okay. All right.
I'll give it 5 stars.
All right. I do too. And so me and Calvin is going to close this video out and sit down and eat a good meal. So we hope y'all have a great day. So do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and listen to